Alright guys, welcome once again to another tutorial. In today's tutorial I have a question with me. This question looked very scary and more, but we are going to find a solution to it. It's a problem we need to solve, and I want us to do it together as usual. So in this question I have x to the power of s cubed equal to 7 to 9. So what do we do now? The first thing we do in solving this question is we are going to raise both sides to the power of what? 3. We're raising both sides to the power of 3. Then we do it is x to the power of s cubed, everything in a bracket, to the power of 3 equal to 7 to 9 to the power of 3. So the next thing we do here now, we apply a law of indices that says that multiplying power. That means we say if we have in law of indices, if we have x to the power of 3 in the bracket raised to the power of 2, so we can is equally the same thing to by saying x to the power of 2 and bringing this 3 outside. So that's what we're going to do here now. So the 3 here is taking the place of this s cube, while the 3 outside is taking the place of the 2. So we exchange their positions. So with that we say x to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 3 equal to, now in this place now what do you do here? Since you're having 7 to 9 to the power of 3, now what is the cube root of this? That means the numbers you are going to multiply together in 3, the same number, you multiply it in 3 places, that will give us 7 to 9. So that number is 9. Yes, 9. Yes, 9 to the power of 3, everything to the power of what? 3. So the next thing here is that from here now we then see since we're having something like this, we see x to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 3. So from here now we can just put this in a bracket. Yes, let's put this in a bracket. So this one 2, 3 multiply power by power, 3 times 3. Here now we're having 9 to the power of 9. So if you look at it here, we have x to the power of 3, the same thing as the base, and the power 2 is having the same thing, s to the power of 3, the same thing. So we're going to pick 1 in order to arrive at our answer. In picking 1 now, what do? We say x to the power of 3 equal to 9. So what do you do here now? In order to eliminate this 3 here, we square both sides by, we raise both sides by 1 over 3 in order to eliminate this 3. So we have x to the power of 3 to the power of what? S cubed to the power of 1 over 3 equal to 9 to the power of 1 over 3. So definitely 3 here has eliminated this 3, so we have x to the power of 1, that's s equal to this one here now, 9 to the power of 1 over 3 simply means in indices when we have something like this, that means we are saying the cube of what? X. So that's what we apply here. So that is 3 the cube of 9, so cube root of 9. So from here now this has given us our answer. So that's our final answer. Now to check if your workings are correct or not, the only thing you do here now to check your workings are correct or not, you're going to say to check, you say you bring down your equation is x to the power of s cubed equal to 7 to 9. So input wherever you see x, that is 3 root of what? Of 9. Again, do the same thing again. So if by the time you use your calculator to check this I've just done now, it will equally give you 7 to 9. So that's just how to solve this kind of question. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video very helpful, please hit on the subscribe button and share to your friends. Bye.